So, hi guys! I know, weird way to start a video, right? So I just woke up and I decided to make a what I eat in a day because it's been a while since I did one in English. And I was like, why not? Then I forgot that I should make the intro before my mask, but now it's too late. So this morning I woke up with a lot of breakouts and I will make an interview for French TV. I know, this afternoon. So I was like, okay, that's impossible. Like oily skin and breakouts, it's just not an option. So I did this mask. And by the way, this mask is so amazing. Let me show you. This one, matcha mint, and it's a purifying mask, as you can read because you know how to read. And it's super natural, 100% natural, and it's an acne fighting mask, and it has French green clay, white clay, neem powder, I don't know what it is, green tea, matcha tea, and mint, and it's organic. So I'm gonna make my breakfast. So this morning I made an avocado toast. Don't worry, not avocados from South America. Organic avocados from Spain. I wish I could eat avocados from France, but not easy. I'm such a massive cliché. I just realized I made an avocado toast with matcha on my face. Hi! But it's definitely not like that every morning. I usually do intermittent fasting, so I don't eat anything. I also made myself a turmeric chai tea with soy milk that has vanilla in it, so it's so good. I love this brand, Yogi Tea, and there's always a cute message, so I love it. And turmeric is really good for you, and it's so pretty. It will be like super yellow soon. So yeah, I really like this tea. Spicy and really good with milk and a little bit of water. So yeah, that's my breakfast. And this is turnip. I think it's turnip? Yeah. And I don't really like this vegetable. So I'm gonna roast it and hide it in some hummus. So that will be easier to eat it. So I am ready now. As you can see, the makeup. Yeah, I didn't tell you about the interview, but so they reached out to me because they wanted to find some vegan person that could be able to talk about veganism, and they found my YouTube channel. So that's why they asked me they can interview me, and I said yes if I can talk about my YouTube channel. And they said yes, so I'm kinda stressed, I'm not gonna lie, because it's not easy to talk about veganism and choices like that. And yeah, I'm gonna do my best, and I see you guys after. I am back! I survived, guys! So it was nice, it went well. You know, it was a little bit stressful, but I feel like when you do interview, it always feels like you didn't say enough, you didn't use the right words, and you said, too much, you know. But now I'm gonna eat lunch. I am starving, but I am also really lazy. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't work out this morning. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to do something quick and good. So this is my weird lunch, as you can see. It makes no sense. So I quickly made some kimbap or some maki. It's up to you. Kimbap, it's Korean. But I'll say kimbap because it's quite big and it has spinach in it, and also carrots and cilantro and yellow bell pepper and mango chutney that I made. So it's gonna be so yummy. And here is almost the same thing but in a salad. So this is carrot, pepper, same cilantro, spinach with some olive oil, lemon juice, pepper, salt, and yeah, that's my lunch for the moment because it's not a lot. You know what, actually it's hard to finish my meal. I didn't expect that. But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna eat for today's lunch. So I just did a lot of editing. I hate my life for that because I feel like I only edit my videos because it takes such a long time. But yeah, that's my choice, so I'm not gonna complain about that. But I feel like eating a snack. It's funny because I usually don't eat snack. Never, ever. Or maybe just a fruit, but it's not really a snack, right? And it's a really French thing to do, I think, don't snack at all. And it is quite funny because today I do a video in English and this is like the only day where I feel like eating a snack. So it's really appropriate. Yeah, it's snack time. So here is my vegan, gluten-free, organic snack. Hi, not a cliche. I am hungry because, hey, I didn't eat enough this lunch because no protein and not a lot of carbs, so of course. So we have those tortilla chips. They were looking amazing in the shop, so that's why they're here. And here we have like it's like a boursin. I don't know if you know boursin. It's like a spread cheese, really fresh with herbs and garlic. And here it's cucumber and aneth. I don't know how you say aneth in English. It's made with almond. So this is how it looks. Kind of like a boursin. I'm sure you know boursin. And it's so good, guys. Oh my god. Oh, guys, I am so done with today. I am so tired and I'm fucking yellow in this light. I hate it, but you know. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I will eat for dinner, and it's pretty simple but also pretty amazing. And I'm gonna eat Asian again. Honestly, I think I eat Asian 70% of the time. This is crazy how much I love this food. So to explain you guys, this is some whole long rice, organic of course. I eat 80% organic because you know, don't want to die at 25 from a cancer. This is edamame. I don't know in English. It's Japanese soybean, and this is really good. And this is also full of protein, so it goes really well with the rice. And I made a sauce with soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and lemon. This is some banchan. Let's call this banchan, Korean side dish. So this is Korean style bok choy, yeah. So I just cooked those bok choy in water for 2 minutes, and then I mixed them with this thing. This is Korean red pepper paste, and with this thing, this is fermented soybean paste, and this is all very Korean. I also put some soy sauce, some garlic, some sesame seeds, and some sesame oil. And this is not kimchi. I would love if it was kimchi, but this is just fermented cabbage and carrot found in my organic shop next to my place. And I put in this some of the, you know, gochujang thing. And I'm gonna eat that on top of those tofu bites. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a little bit of everything. And what I do is that I take some of that, put it on the tofu. You got it. And I can't wait to eat all that because it looks delicious. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna eat tonight. It was really nice spending the day with you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up because you know I love your thumbs. And I'll see you later for another video.